This is the first of the projects that use the vibration switch. The vibration switch has a spring inside, which is attached to one of two contacts within. When the switch moves up and down, the loose end of the spring shorts out both contacts. And so when I tap the switch, the red LED comes on, and it will stay on for a few moments. It doesn't work when you shake the circuit side to side, but if you were to move it up and down quickly, the LED, in this case, would come on. With this circuit, I have the speaker, and you may not really hear anything, but I'm going to place my camera next to the speaker, right in front of it, and tap the vibration switch. The sound is very faint if you hear any at all. This is the vibration detector. I'm going to hold the vibration switch and shake it up and down. The red LED flickers. Now note that it only does so when I'm shaking the switch up and down, not to the side, because of how the internal spring system works. Now I can replace the LED with the voltage meter and see how it deflects when I shake the switch. And I can make it deflect all the way to the right. When I turn on the slide switch, the motor spins, but the lamp stays off. However, when I hit the vibration switch hard enough, the motor will stop, but the lamp will come on. You may not have heard it, but the relay also clicks as the motor turns off and the lamp turns on. Turning off the slide switch makes the relay click a second time, and you probably heard it then. But I'm going to demonstrate this one more time. And there you have it. I don't recommend hitting the vibration switch, but I can shake the circuit with one hand and make the component switch operation. But anyway, there you go. This is a vibration alarm. When I tap the vibration switch, you hear an alarm sound. However, you have to tap the switch continuously for the sound to continue. Once you stop hitting the switch, the sound will cease as well. You can also shake the circuit up and down or bang on the table. When I tap the vibration switch, you hear a space war sound coming from the speaker. Tap the switch again, and you hear a different tone. The sound changes every time you tap the vibration switch, and you can quickly cycle through all the available tones on the space war IC. It's unfortunate that the sound does not last very long after you tap the switch. I don't know if you could modify this circuit and use a capacitor to make the sound last longer after you tap the switch, but that would be neat if you could. Last but not least of the main projects of Snap Circuits Extreme is the vibration light. When I tap the vibration switch, the lamp comes on, and it will stay on briefly after I'm done tapping because of the capacitor, which fills with energy from tapping the switch. And when I stop, that energy is discharged through the lamp. Pretty awesome. Anyway, thank you so much for watching the projects of Snap Circuits Extreme. I hope you learned a lot from them, and maybe you can create your own projects. But remember, Be careful when experimenting, especially on your own. Adult supervision is recommended, but I hope that you can create some awesome circuits and maybe you can upload videos of them. I would love to see them. Once again, thank you very much for your viewership.